Hello friends, and welcome to another class on Vedic Math, and in this class we'll be doing base method multiplication for the numbers above and below the base. Now before we proceed with the calculation part, we must understand one important concept over here. The concept is that a number 769 has how many hundreds, how many tens, and how many units. Now with the below representation, I'm pretty much sure that you must have got what I'm trying to explain. Now 769 has got 7 hundreds in it, 6 tens in it, and 9 units in it. For now, please bear with me. In the coming problem, you would understand why am I talking on this concept to you. So if I tell you to remove 110 from the 769, then we would be left with 759. And if I told you to remove 100, then we would be left with 669. So let's take a problem to understand it better. So over here, the concept is the number above and below the base. So 12 is, so basically our base is 10, and the 12 is above 2 of 10, and 9 is 1 less than 10. Now we will be applying our first step, that is we cross add or subtract. So if we go for 9 plus 2, we get 11, and 12 minus 1, we get 11. So either way, so we write 11 on the left hand side of our answer, and 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. Now here the problem comes. Now how we will tackle this minus 2? Now friends, as I told you, in 11 we have got 10 11s. Please remember about the concept that I taught you at the very beginning of this lecture. This 11 value has got 10 11s as depicted on the below, if you can see. So it has got 10 11s. How about if I remove 110 from it and subtract it with the 2? That is, I will remove 110 from 11 tens, then I am left with 10 tens on the left hand side, and 10 minus 2 is 8, then I am left with 108. I hope that you are understanding this concept. I have removed 110 of these 11 tens, and I am left with 10 tens, and the 10 that I have removed, I will be subtracting it with the minus 2 to it. That is 10 minus 2 is 8. So our answer is 108. Let's take another example. 15 times 7. So it's 5 more than 10, and another one is 3 less than 10. 7 plus 5 is 12. So left hand side of our answer is 12. And for the 5 times minus 3 is minus 15. Now how do we overcome it? Over on the left hand side we have got 12 tens. So removing 110 would not solve the problem. So in this case we will be removing 2 tens, that is 20, and we are left with 10 tens on the left hand side, and 20 minus 15 is 5. So 105 is the answer. Let's take another problem. 17 times 6. So it's 7 less than 10, and it's 6 less, and 6 is 4 less than our base 10. So 7 plus 6 is 13, and times 4 is 28. So since we have got 13 10 on the left hand side, we will be removing 3 tens. In order to make the right hand side positive, we will be removing 3 tens, and we are left with 10 tens on the left hand side, and 30 minus 28 is 2. So let's increase our base. So we will now consider 100 as our base. So 102 times 99. So 102 is 2 more than 100, and 99 is 1 less than 100. So 99 plus 2 is 101, and 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. Now we'll be applying same concept, that is we will take 100 from 101, that is now we are left with 100 hundreds, and subtract 100 from minus 2, then we are left with 10098. Let's take another 107 times 96. So one is 7 more than 100, and another one is 4 less than 100. So 96 plus 7 is 103, and 7 times 4 is 28, and it's negative 28. So again we'll be removing 100 from 103, and then we are left with 102. 100 minus 28 is 72. So our answer is 10272. Let's take a base method as 1000 as its base. So 1006 times 999. So it's 6 more than 1000, and another one is 1 less than 1000. So 999 plus 6 is 1005, and 6 times minus 1 is minus 005. Now we will remove 1000 from 1005. So we are left with 1004 on the left hand side, and we subtract 1000 with 5, we are left with 995. So 1004 995 is the answer. Similarly, 1005 times 910. So one is 5 more than 1000, another one is 90 less than 1000. So we do the cross addition, that is 910 plus 5 is 915, and 90 times 5 is 450, negative 450. So we'll be removing 1. Okay, now this is a very interesting problem. So we'll remove 1000 from 915, then we have left with 914, and 1000 minus 450 is 550. So 914550 is the answer. So friends, up till now we have considered a base as 100, 1000, 10,000. But what will happen if we are having a base other than 1000? Let's suppose, what if we are having base as 50? Then how we will tackle that problem? So in the coming lecture we will understand how to solve the multiplication for multiples and submultiples. So that's all for this class. Thank you.